Yo, what's up guys? Gonna be bringing y'all a quick little vlog today. My buddy Jackson with the gray Lariat, he said he's doing some Starliner headliner kit on his F250, so we're gonna go stop by his house and see what he's doing. Apparently his entire headliner is ripped out, so I figured it would make for a cool vlog. So we're gonna head over there and check out what Jackson's doing and see if we can help out. But before we go, I just want to show you guys the new tint. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. A couple layers of tint. I think it's like 15 on 20 or something, so it looks pretty clean, I think, but y'all let me know. Can't really see inside of it, but from the inside out, you can see pretty well. I'll show you guys. I got a 5% brow as well. It's pretty clear visibility from the inside. I'm pretty happy with it. And if you need a little extra light let in, you can just open the moonroof and it gives you a little bit more light so you can see a little better. But we're gonna head to Jackson's now. Y'all, I'm here with Schmitty. He just picked up this Razor, giving it a nice cleanup, and his roommate who just moved in got this sweet Bubba Chevy, so I'm gonna give you guys a walk around on his. Pretty much a very similar style as my truck, just a Chevy version of it. So what you got going on to this Razor?
Oh, just hitting the aluminum with aluminum binder and steel.
Getting it cleaned up?
Yes, sir.
You keeping this one or are you flipping it?
No, it'll probably be gone tomorrow.
Damn, classic Michael. Never get to tear up any of his toys because they sell too quick. Hell yeah. Well, it looks pretty clean. I like it. Yeah.
That Can-Am?
I remember.
Did you see that?
Yeah. All right, Connor, you want to show us what you got on your truck? Give us the rundown.
So it's 6-inch in the front, nothing in the back. It's got 2-inch wheel spacers to fit these big meat Larry Hoovers.
Sheesh.
And they're 36, 15, 50, 20s.
So he's running the Mickey Thompson MTZs, and he said he likes them. How many miles you put on them so far?
I've had about 7,000 miles on this set so far. And
They're quieter than the mud grabs, huh?
oh, much quieter.
They ride pretty smooth too?
Very smooth. Balanced on these stock wheels is one thing, but once you nail it, right there, Cadillac.
Yeah, it's a good looking setup. It's a high country too. Got the weight reduction all set up. And what kind of tint you got going here?
One of my buddies, Snapchat special, you know, slide up, he'll get it tinted. Windshield, that's a must.
What percent is it?
The front is 25, I believe.
Yeah, it looks good.
Appreciate it.
Good tint is necessary on a black truck.
Oh yeah. We got the titanium, 165 fast.
And what lift is that?
That's a zone 6-inch.
Yeah, it looks good.
Nothing too crazy.
It's a clean setup.
Appreciate it.
Show us the inside too.
Oh, she's dirty.
Oh yeah.
Yet to wire in my DSP5 switch for the tunes. Just installed that in ACM.
Hey, race truck, you gotta leave it. Make sure people know.
Sleeper farm buddy.
Well, I almost said King Ranch. The high country interior looks sharp.
Appreciate it when it's clean.
Good looking truck.
But had to get the TV over the sunroof, which, oh well.
Oh well. Well, I'll drop his Instagram somewhere on the screen if you guys want to follow him. Check out some more pics of his truck. Give him a follow. All right, so we're finally at Jackson's place. There's his truck. Let's see what he's working on. All right, Jackson, what'd you do to your truck this time?
Fucked up.
Damn, this guy's always tearing something up.
Putting in a Starlight headliner, baby.
All right, show me where you're at so far.
I divided into 4 quadrants. I messed up my spacing with marking the dots, so I messed up 51 dots, so I gotta go and put 51 more in this quadrant, but I have 200, 400, 600, 800.
So 800 total holes for the fiber optics?
Correct. So I gotta mark 800, poke 800, stick 800 with the fiber optics, glue 800, snip 800, and that is 4,000 movements that I had to make.
So, what are you poking the holes with?
A needle kit from Walmart.
Nice.
Yeah.
How much was this gonna cost you if you took it to a shop?
$6,500 according to Mobile Toys, who did my audio system. No offense to them, but I just didn't want to pay that, so I'm doing it myself for roughly $230.
Alrighty, let's see how it turns out.
Yeah, labor will suck.
It's gonna look sick though, cause without the moonroof, you'll have so many lights coming out.
Yep.
Cause I've seen some people do it with the moonroof, and you just can't get as many lights fitted when you have that big cutout in the middle.
It'll be good. It's gonna take a full day at least. So
Yeah.
it'll be done till tomorrow.
It'll look sick, cause Jackson also got this sub box down here that's got color changing RGB lights. So when you got all the RGB, your whole interior is gonna be lit up.
Absolutely.
Gonna look sick. Well, we'll follow through the process and see what we got next.
Absolutely.
All right, so Dawson is telling me that I gotta run my tow mirrors all the way out. I guess he thinks I'm a Dodge owner or something, but you can see how dirty they are because I've been running them on the inside setting. But y'all think it looks better with them out or tucked further in? I don't know. I really don't tow much. It's just the garage queen, so we'll see. I don't know. I kind of like the way it looks.
I'm gonna hit it then if I start it. I'm gonna say what's about to happen.
All right, Dawson's about to get ready to start this beast for us. This is his bike. He's been riding it around. He said he's got it for sale, but he doesn't really want to sell it because he loves the way it handles. So he's gonna give us a startup, and I think he's gonna take it down the road too. Pretty sick Yamaha. I believe it's the same motor from the R1. Now. So Jackson also got these Marimoto front lights color matched with these LED bars, and I'll have to get a video or show a picture whenever he's got them all on. You guys can check out his Instagram. I'll put it right here. You can see it. He's got some sick pictures and TikToks and stuff with it. The front end looks really good. I really want to get some lights like these on mine. They really bring together the headlight shape nicely. Hey, give it some, Michael. All right, so we're here at day 2. We got distracted yesterday, but we came back to pick up where we left off yesterday after marking all the holes. So Jackson just finished drilling out all 800 of these holes, and he said that he had a couple hiccups. His drill bit broke somewhere, so he's gonna show us what happened exactly, but I'm gonna turn the camera and let you guys see the current progress.
So the needle wasn't really working, so I used a drill bit and a drill. It wasn't the greatest idea because back here I hit it at a bad angle. I was crooked and it caught the headliner on the other side and ripped off a hole probably that big. It's not bad, I'll glue it back, but not the greatest thing in the world.
So that's where we're at right now. We got this boy over here.
Alright guys, so after poking holes, I went ahead and separated all of the strands. Now on the headliner, I divided it into 4 sections, 200, 200, 200, 200. So that's what I did with the strands. So we have 200, 200, 200, and 200. And I taped them up so it'll be easier whenever I go to install them. So we will update you whenever we get these put into the headliner.
All right, we're back a couple days later. Jackson got some decals and planking on top of his bed cover right now, trying to apply it. So we're gonna show you the decals once they're all finished, and then we also got the headliner finished up. So Jackson's gonna give us a walk around and show us what he had to do to get that all wrapped up. So Jackson said that even these decals are color matched to the paint.
Absolutely.
Everything color matched. Look on the back of this truck. He even got his Ford emblem, his handle, his license plate lights, the tail lights, all color matched for Jackson. Oh, you messed it up.
I didn't.
No, I'm just playing. Sheesh, that color match is too far.
Go follow me, guys.
Hey, that's his at. Y'all need to follow him. All right, we got the Snapchat going on too. You add him on Snapchat as well. He needs some streaks. No girls hit him up.
Guys only.
Guys only. It's the Ford way. Oh yeah, that looks clean.
Oh yeah.
Actually looks really good. I like it. Pretty clean.
That shit's crooked as fuck. Alright, so I got everything finished. I did mess up in 2 spots because I had to use a drill bit because there was plastic on the top of the headliner and I had to drill through it and not use a needle. So there's 2 spots that I'll show you. The first one would be right here. Tore the heck out of that. Sorry, YouTube. And then the other one's right there. And then also, I haven't taken all the burrs off of the headliner. You can see I need to come back with a knife and cut some of the burrs off. But other than that, it's done. There's just a few little things I gotta do. But it turned out really good, and at night, it looks really good.
So when you put the headliner back up, did you just hot glue it back into place? How does it go back?
The headliner itself?
Yeah.
No, so these pillar covers, there's 6 pillar covers. There's 1 in each corner and then 2 in the middle. Basically, the headline, and then there's a clip in the middle of the headliner. So basically between all 6 pillars and that 1 clip in the middle on the roof is what holds the headliner up. And then you bolt the visors back in at the front by the windshield, and that also helps hold it up into place. But other than that, that's the only thing that holds it.
So it's just snaps in a couple bolts.
Basically.
Nice. Well, it looks sick. We're gonna have to turn it on and see if we can get some clips, and we'll probably come back later and try to get some night clips where you can see it a little better.
Absolutely. So this is what it looks like with it turned on. It's an 800 piece kit, so it was a pain doing it all, but I think it turned out good. And I got behind the visors on both sides. So yeah, I mean, at night it looks even better, obviously, and it is bright. It's very bright. So there's an app. The kit that I have, it's an app that controls it, and you can turn brightness up and down. You can also pick the different colors. So now we got red, green, blue, yellow. You can do whatever you want. There's a bunch of different sequences you can do. So overall, it's cool. I'll leave it on red. I think it looks the best. That's it.
Can you put it on like a fading where it transitions through the
so
RGB?
one of the modes is the 7-color fade. And you can adjust how fast or slow it fades.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that looks good.
Cool little project. I would never do it again. I would absolutely pay somebody else to do it. Yeah, that's my thoughts.
All right. Well, it turned out pretty good, so I think it was worth the effort.
Yeah,
but
it was worth it. Just, it was a pain.
fair enough. Well, we'll try to get back and get some more clips whenever it's nighttime. And with the tint, can you see it from the outside, the lights, or is it?
So I have 5% ceramic tint on everything. Windshield, side windows, everything is 5% ceramic. And from the outside looking in, you can see it like daylight. It's there. I don't know what it is about it, but these things are bright and you can see exactly where each light is when you look out from the windows. We'll show you all tonight. But
Okay.
I mean, don't really have any complaints. I think it's cool to see from the outside, but they're bright. You definitely see them.
Okay, so that's something to take note of if, you know, you're trying to keep your tint privacy. If I could see how it took a while to do. There's plenty of lights, but it turned out pretty nice and even looking. So we'll get back in a few hours when the sun sets and take some more clips. All right, guys, so it's nighttime, as you can tell. You can't really see me because I blend a little bit, but we're gonna get a cold start with my truck real quick, and then we'll show you all the Starlight headliner.
Yep. The red lights in the ceiling match my sub box too, so yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
Here, let me turn it flash off and see what it looks like. All right, so now this is with no flash. You can get a better idea. We got the sub box down there as well. Turned out pretty sick, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That pretty much wraps it up. Anything else you want to add, Jackson?
It's a pain to do it. To keep that in mind, it's gonna take a long time. It took me, I think, a total of 20 hours. I did it over the course of 3 days. I started on a Wednesday night and finished on a Friday afternoon. Kind of just doing it like, I think I worked for like 2 hours, then 8 hours, and then like 10 hours one day. So it sucks, but it's worth it, as you can tell.
Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed this video. This was the Starlight headliner install, so now Jackson can roll through and pick up all the dudes. So
yeah, Ari's one of them. He's the first
it already worked on me. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put Jackson's Instagram link and my Instagram link as well in the description, so you guys give us both a follow. Leave a comment, tell us what you think. Would you do it to your truck? How does it look? What color do you like the best? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next truck video.